Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving and we are back here. Thanksgiving is over and the semester is back on. But I can't believe, the semester is almost over. It's over. Yeah, we have only a few days more and then about a week, including the exam, and then everything will be all over. I believe you read the announcement and the email that explains you with a breakdown of the assignments that we have done through the semester. The last and the final paper is due, and I want you to do that paper very carefully, very well, revise it, edit it, and format it correctly because that is the one that decides your grade. Let me give you the details of the assignment again here. I want to make sure that you know very well how you are going to be graded based on the assignments you've done so far. Just to reconfirm what we started with in the syllabus, and according to the syllabus, I'm trying to make it clear to you as to what we have done so far and what we have ahead of us. And again, this is something that I have already posted in the most recent announcement for you. So we accomplished 7 quizzes so far on different skills areas. Each quiz was worth 2.5 points. Your quizzes altogether are supposed to be 15 points. So when these 6 quizzes are added up, you have 15 points. So you have an extra quiz, the 7th quiz. So no matter whether 7th or 6th or 5th, whichever has the lowest score will be eliminated, and you will have 6 quizzes which will count toward a grade, which is good for you. In other words, you are given 7 quizzes. Since 6 quizzes make 15 points, the base 6 count toward a grade. The quiz that has the lowest score will not count. Regarding the papers, you attempted 3 papers, paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3, starting from the rhetorical analysis and persuasive essay and critical analysis, each of 10 points. That will make 30 points for you. And then we started our research project. You started with a proposal that was worth 5 points. You did the proposal, which is a mini project for you to start your research, which is paper 4. And paper 4 is worth 25 points, which is due tonight. And I can understand there is some Blackboard issue. If the Blackboard issue persists, you can submit it by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow as soon as the Blackboard is back on. There will be no late penalty for submitting paper 4 until December 4. So I'm sure by December 4 the Blackboard will be very much active. And get your paper all ready and submitted as soon as possible. Now, regarding your journals, according to the syllabus, you're supposed to have 3 journals. We've done Journal 1 and Journal 2 already. Now, regarding a third journal, what I've done is I've made the job easier for you because we don't have any reading anymore. So what you want to do is you will write a reflection of a research and writing process. And you will I'm going to give you plenty of time. I don't want you to do it right now. You don't have to do it right now. It will be due. It can be due by December 11, which is the day your final exam is supposed to be taken. Since you don't have any final exam, consider this Journal 3 as your final exam. The prompt for Journal 3 will be posted by December 4. So, with all the papers and the quizzes and the journals added together, you have 90 points. Now you have 10 points more. The 10 points will be scored based on attendance of participation. The attendance of participation will be as to how often you've logged on, and what you've done in the discussion board. They all get added and they make your total 100 points. So all the scores, if they add up to 90 and above, you will have an A. If it is 80 and above, it'll be a B. If it is 70 and above, it'll be a C. And if it is 60 and above, it'll be a D. And below 60, it'll be an F. Just the way that you have it in the syllabus. Now, at this moment, do not worry about anything else except your paper 4, which will carry 25 points. Read my feedback on your proposal, narrow down your topic, and write as the prompt says. Precisely, concisely, and with depth and creativity. Read the prompt several times. Draw your paper from the prompt, word for word. Read the prompt from top to bottom. Organize your paper because organization is very, very important. The process of research is very important, which means how you articulate your research question, how researchable the topic itself is, and how you incorporate the citations. Do not forget the way I've asked you that you highlight the citations as well as the in-text citations. Look at the sample research paper that I have hyperlinked there in the prompt itself, and make sure that your in-text citations and the list of works cited match. Work very carefully. The more careful you are, the more precise you will be, and the less problems you will have in your paper. Documentation and formatting are very important, especially because you're using either APA or MLA. Do not mix both. If you're using APA, do not bring MLA in. If you're using MLA, do not bring APA there. So be careful about that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm ready to help you until the last minute, but not after December 4, because that's the cutoff deadline and I have to submit the grade, and I start grading papers after December 4th. So any help you need, please contact me before that. Anyway, it was a very enjoyable semester. I wish you all the best. Best of luck, folks. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays in advance.